Good morning to our final day in Colorado. I don't know if you can tell, but right behind me, that's my truck, covered in snow. And not a little bit of snow, like a lot of snow. A full finger depth of snow. So our original plan was to go for a mountain bike ride and then go check out Bridal Veil Falls. And then after that, we were gonna finish the Alpine Loop through Ophir Pass. Now, I don't know if any of that's gonna happen now with the snow. I don't know if the pass is still open. So I think right now we're going to just eat something, go to Telluride, get a coffee, and then go see if we can get up to Bridal Veil Falls. Because Bridal Veil Falls is amazing. And it should be even more amazing, covered in snow.
Oh my god. Looks full of snow. Like full.
Lots of, all the snow.
All the snow. It's so
And you are
cool.
totally dressed for the occasion.
In my shorts and a little tiny jacket.
Cool, alright. Alright, clean off the truck.
That's not how the deal went. Nah, you're cleaning off the truck. I'm recording.
Why do I always have to do the hard work? Oh, the mud's coming off. That's it. Cheers, kiddo.
That's Bridal Veil Falls.
And that's a snow angel.
So slushy. My butt's freezing. That's a perfect snow angel.
Oh my god, it's so cool.
These new shoes, they're white. They're super expensive, and when you shake your foot, they turn blue. Look, watch. Look, they're blue.
Snowball on one hand. Bridal Veil Falls was an absolutely amazing scene with the snowfall all around it. The cascading water coming off was just gorgeous with the white background. However, Tristan had other plans. He could not stop playing in the snow. And yes, this is the 4th or 5th time he's hit me with a snowball, but don't worry. As soon as he put that camera down, it was game on. We just got off the freeway and we're headed up to Ophir Pass. Not Ophir Pass.
Gopher Pass.
I call it Ophir Pass because last year on the motorcycle, I was in serious fear. But luckily, we're in the truck, so it's going to be Ophir Pass. And
hopefully it's not Ophir Pass.
Yeah, this is one of the easier passes we're going to do this entire trip. So after this, we have to head home, so let's hope it doesn't take too long.
Yep.
Oh no.
Alright, so we just tried to get up this steep, snowy uphill right here, and couldn't make it. Dad's behind me, talking to the guy. It's really slippery. We found the person who was first making the first tracks, and he couldn't make it up his part. So we decided to try and make it up, try and make some little spots for him to get up to. We made it up probably like a little less than half a mile, and we got stuck right up here. So I'm just gonna get some video.
So we didn't make it. Disappointed?
Not really. It's kind of like a safer choice. I didn't really think that this was gonna be all clear. I kind of had I kind of pretty much thought that this was gonna be like this, snowy, all snowy, and wouldn't really work out very well. And it it didn't.
Yeah.
So, but yeah.
We tried Ophir Pass and we didn't make it. We got about, I don't know, maybe halfway, 2/3 of the way up, and we got turned around. It's just too steep. The part we got actually stuck on and started sliding on was there's a little stream that got frozen over, so that's pretty nasty. And there's another dude up here that was trying it in a Land Rover, and he's having to back up also. I honestly thought we'd be able to make it, but apparently Colorado weather got us again. So thanks a lot, Colorado. But
I think it's beautiful up here, but
it is beautiful up here. You cannot beat the view. It's still a challenge. It's still fun. It's still great to be out in nature. But now we have to turn back. All right, guys, we are turned around. Did not finish the Alpine Loop. The Alpine Loop won. Tristan and I were so bummed that we did not get to complete the Alpine Loop. 3 weeks later, we came back and ticked it off. It was absolutely epic. And here is the grand finale of the Alpine Loop. That was the scary part of Ophir Pass. I thought it was pretty gnarly. It wasn't terrible.
yeah, it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, but it was fun.
Yeah.
It definitely has a lot of elevation to it. Plus, with it only being one way, you really have to time everything right. Otherwise, you're going to be in a world of hurt having to back out a long way. But that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it definitely was a lot of fun.
That was the last pass we're doing for the Alpine Loop. We're pretty much at the top of the pass now, and we're almost there.
Yep.
Almost there.
Almost.
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 right.
Super close.
Yeah. So
Yep.
let's get there. It's that way.
It's that way.
We can checkbox Ophir Pass off our list.
Yep, Alpine Loop's almost done.
Yeah, so Silverton is the next and last stop. And the beginning.
And the beginning.
And the beginning.
So it's a full loop. Who would have thought Alpine Loop's a full loop?
Alpine Loop is a full loop. What's your snowman's name?
It's a snow woman, and her name is Samantha the Snowman.
Samantha the Snowman or Samantha the
Oh, wait. Samantha the Snow Woman. Yep.
Good job. I love it. You want to pump gas or wash the windshield?
Pump gas.
I had a great trip. I hope you had a great trip also.
I did.
Good. That's all that matters.
Yes.
We had a ton of fun. We did overlanding. We did some pretty good serious off-roading. We did via ferrata, rock climbing. Did a little bit of mountain biking. Not nearly as much mountain biking as we would have liked.
Yeah.
A lot of exploring, looked at some cool mines, and just did the full Colorado experience. It was great.
It was pretty great.
Plus, I got to do it with my adventure buddy.
I'm leaving.
No! All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.
See you next time. Whoop-ow!